What's going on, guys? Fuller here from Custom Offsets TV on YouTube, and as many of you know, we've had our own Shine products for a bunch of years now, but we recently just introduced something that's gonna change the game, and that is for sure. So this is the Custom Offsets Insta Forged, and you may be wondering what it does. Basically, it's gonna take your regular boring cast wheels and turn them into a forged appearing wheel. So this is a molecular structure reorganizer, which is gonna then take your standard finish on here and turn it into that forged mirror-like finish. Now, the example that we have is this red Archon. This was a test wheel. So if you have a wheel that's already colored, you know, something that's kind of vibrant, we're gonna end up putting on the adhesion promoter first. So this is, again, Custom Offsets Insta Forged adhesion promoter. This goes on first, and you can use any like sprayable, plasticky, rubberized type sprayable substance if you don't want to shell out for the actual name brand stuff. But I'm kind of going to show you how it works and how we're going to take this regular cast wheel and turn it into a forged wheel so you can show off on Instagram. So like I said, first step here, we're going to get this adhesion promoter put on. This is going to be like a black sprayable rubber, essentially. Like I said, you can use any brand. We just prefer if you use the Insta Forged adhesion promoter. So this is going to take your red finish, dull it down, make it black, and just make it easier for the forging process to begin once we spray it with the second coat. So now that we've got the base coat put on there, as you can see, we kind of evenly coated it. You don't have to worry about doing the barrel or the backside. Don't worry about that at all. Just do the front, the only place you're gonna see it anyway. It's the only place that matters. So that's evenly coated. We've got that all nice and done up. Now you're just gonna go ahead and take the Insta Forged. This is one with a chrome cap on it, and just start, again, evenly coating that. The way I like to do it is kind of start with the rim of the wheel, and then you can work your way to the inside. So that looks pretty good for now. As you can see, it's not that mirror-like finish because this is still wet. It's got to dry, like I said, it's got to soak into that material. And then if you really want that mirror-like finish, you are gonna have to come in and go ahead and polish that. So through the magic of TV, luckily we have one already done so we can show you what it looks like completed. Pretty much looks exactly like a forged wheel, even more so on these Archons since these are true directional, which means you get one side that's digging, one side that's swooping. You know, they're going different ways. So you can put them on your truck so that they're both going the same way once you mount them. So really a big benefit to buying these proper directional wheels from Archon. So if you want to pick some of this stuff up for your truck, we've got it listed on the website. It does cost a little bit. So this is 299 bucks shipped to your door for free. But for the cost of forged wheels, this is a fraction of the price to get basically the same exact thing. So if you want to check it out, head to the website, customoffsets.com. We've got it on there. You can also check out the links in the description. Make sure you like us on Facebook, subscribe on YouTube, and I think that is it. Peace.